My experience as a structural engineer is about 35 years. I have done a total of 100 million square feet buildings in the last 30 years as Satyavani Projects and Consulting. We definitely dictate to the client as well as architects that the structural design that meets the functional aspects is very important. Apart from being optimal in performance, we have always chosen the projects and clients, and Giridhari is one of such clients for us, and the Happiness Hub, which as it means really. A small example I'll give. Every project will have the window or door, and over that we have the lintel. But in this case, we have increased the depth of the beam so that we can avoid the lintel, and most of the buildings we see the cracks on the top of the windows. So to avoid that, though it costs a little more, we call it value engineering. It benefits the end customer, which will in turn benefit my client developer if the clients are happy. Strictly adhere to the codal provisions like Indian standards, Bureau of Indian Standards. We have the code for design of concrete structures. We have the code for loads, wind loads, and we have code for earthquake. And don't even compromise 5% with these codes, so that the performance and safety of the structure is not compromised and it is enhanced in turn. Our structural system has got the inbuilt robustness in the structural performance. So the safety of the people, safety of the structure is protected. In conventional steel shuttering that is used, people use 2 feet by 3 feet plates. So in the concrete, we have in the slabs and beams, we have many joints. Because of the joints in old buildings, there used to be a lot of honeycombs in the joints because the concrete slurries leaks through that joint. Whereas in plywood, we use because of lightweightness, we use bigger planks of 4 feet by 8 feet size. So we reduce the number of joints, we have perfect plain concrete surface, and we don't have any honeycombs, and so the integrity of the concrete and the strength of the concrete is well protected. Actually, the plywood shuttering costs more than steel shuttering by 40% more. But because of the quality assurance, we advised, and Giridhari is also following that plywood shuttering. I am very happy that the quality assurance issues are reduced a lot. We have expertise in giving the specifications, whether it is toilet areas, kitchen area, balconies, terrace, and even the basement parking areas. So we have given all the specifications that are required to protect structure from the dampness. So the specifications that we have given are quite comprehensive and also anti-termite, and the structural system that we are adopting, and the earthquake code that we are following now, latest code, IS 1893 2016, which is having all the provisions of earthquake resistant. And fortunately, Hyderabad is in definitely less risk zone, but still we have given all the seismic detailing requirements prescribed in the code, and we followed strictly, and also verifying at the site whether they are following the details given or not. It's also my pleasure to be associated with this very good project, affordable to the people, and I wish all the people who are going to live here a long, happy life.